In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the gallery element. The gallery element lets you display a group of images in its own looped cycle. This is great if you want to have certain images play over and over while still customizing the rest of your content. The gallery element's properties are very similar to our image element covered in a previous tutorial. We can simply add additional images or remove them by selecting this plus or minus icon. When you add an image, it will open up our file manager for you to select the image that you want to use. If you have a very large group of photos, we can speed this process up by selecting the Use Folder option. From here, we can go through and select our folder source and locate the folder where all the images we want to use are located. As with the image element, we can go through and use a wide variety of different image formats like JPEG, PNG, or in this particular case, we can use GIFs. And let's go ahead and use that folder. As you guys can already see, all the images are brought in very quickly. There are several properties that we can use to customize and change how the gallery element behaves. We can alter what type of animation that we're using by selecting this drop-down menu. And we can also go through and change the order in which the animations are playing, as well as setting an animation for our caption, or even changing the theme of the caption itself. From here, we can go through and alter the delay for how much we want the images to rotate between each other. The higher the delay, the longer it will stay on a particular image before it goes through and transitions. The animation length also changes the speed at which the animation is going to switch. If you decide to utilize this gallery in your content on multiple devices, we can also go through and synchronize the animations, so that way all the animations will play at the exact same time on multiple devices by synchronizing with the device's internal clock. Lastly, the caption on the images can be changed with the standard text properties, and we can also go through and turn off the caption as well. And as typical of all of our elements, we can go through and add in even more animations on top of the gallery's animation properties by selecting the other option here. The gallery is a really great way to show your own collection of images to your audience and lets you really add some pizzazz to your content. And if you have any questions, just let us know.